day to all supporters and all friends in YouTube land around the world. This is Winston Gel, Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, coming to you today with another dish that I'm going to put together here in my cooking lab. Yes, you're seeing this on the Winston Gel, Cooking and Discovery TV. Today I'm going to do some chicken gizzard, yes. Some chicken gizzard as a major dish creation here. First time, so yes, this is my first time. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be working with without any further delay. I have my onions here, I have my garlic, and I have my onion scallion, which is the green one. And then I have an assortment of bell peppers here. In addition to that, I'm going to put some potatoes and some carrots, yes. And the finishing of this dish here today on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube platform. Also, I have a tomato. Yes, I'm going to use half of that. I have some thyme, rosemary, and some Jamaican hot Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes. So, you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. And over here I have some powder seasoning, of course. I have my garlic powder, onion powder, and yes, curry powder, and sea salt and black pepper. So these are all the ingredients that I'm working with today in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Put in some sea salt. Yes, some sea salt. In the chicken gizzard. Yes. And put some black pepper. Yes, I'm going to put some black pepper. Yes. Alright, so that's sea salt and black pepper. Now, I'm going to put some curry powder. Yes, my curry powder. So you can call it a curry gizzard, curry chicken gizzard, gizzard. Alright, I'll put some powder seasoning. This one is onion powder. And this one here is garlic. Watching Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so for my friends, I'm going to put some chicken spice here. Some spices from this is one of the spices from the noodle that I'm going to add in here because I run out of chicken spice right now, so I'm just going to use this. Alright, the reason why I'm only putting in the salt, black pepper, the curry, the onion powder, and the garlic powder because I'm going to put this first on the stove for a little while. But before I do that, I'm going to add garlic to the oil. Yes, just garlic to the oil. And then I'm going to put this in. Then towards in between the cooking process, I'll be adding different various seasoning into the process. But I guarantee you one thing as always, when this is finished, it will taste as if this was marinated for 2-3 days. Yes, that's how much confidence I have, that's how skilled I am, and how good I am in the kitchen when I'm cooking. So yes, I don't need to marinate this for hours or for days. Alright, you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright my friends, I'm putting some olive oil. Yes, this is going to be for the curry chicken gizzard. Yes, I love cooking with curry. Alright, so yes, so it's going to be curry chicken gizzard. So I'm going to add some garlic in the oil. Scotch bonnet pepper in. Put it in the oil. You're watching the Winston gel. Okay, and this one. Start adding the rest of my seasoning. That's my tomatoes. I'm going to add my onions. Watching the Winston gel cooking on Discover TV on YouTube at Scallion Wax. Alright, this is my curry chicken gizzard. Yes, my curry chicken gizzard. First time as a major dish. On the Winston gel. Okay, and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. But I'm gonna add some chicken. Yes, some chicken broth. Since I'm cooking chicken, gizzard. From here, I'm just going to add the rest of the ingredients and complete this dish here today in Cooking Live on the Winston gel. Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Okay, my friends, I'm going to cut up my my Idaho potato. Yes, this is Idaho potato. This is not Irish potato. This is an American potato. So I'm going to cut this up, and this is going into my gizzard. You're watching Winston gel cooking and Discover TV. And also my carrots. I'm just going to cut it up. Curry gizzard, curry chicken gizzard. Alright, now I'm going to add my Idaho potatoes. These are American potatoes. Yes. These are American, yes, created types of potatoes. Yes, these were created by American scientists. And this is the version that we came up with. Yes, much more smoother. Much more refined. You get a lot more meat on the potatoes. Alright, now I'm going to add my carrots. Alright. You're watching the Winston gel. Okay, and Discover TV. Cover this up. Come back and add the rest of the seasoning. Perform the taste test to see how it tastes before I proceed. Tastes good. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. You're in my cooking lab. This is curry chicken gizzard. Alright. Now I'm going to add my bell peppers. Top it off with my onion scallion. Top it off with my thyme and my rosemary. Yes. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Yes, this is my chicken gizzard, curry chicken gizzard. This is my curry chicken gizzard. Yes. First time in my cooking lab. I'm doing a curry gizzard, curry chicken gizzard. Alright, the potatoes are cooked. And it looks like it's ready. You're watching Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright. Alright, my friends, it looks like this is done. I'm going to get ready to share my dinner. Yes. Alright, my friends, I'm going to share out. Potatoes on my plate. Love the curry potatoes. I just love the taste of it. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking on Discovery TV. Alright, my friends. This is my dish for today. Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Chicken gizzard, curry chicken gizzard. And you're seeing this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Alright, my friends, so that is my curry chicken gizzard. You're seeing this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube platform. Please like and share. Enjoy the view. Yes, this dish is awesome. It tastes delightfully delicious. And you'll see this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube.